69,000 BTUs for
Wow.
so it's a combination unit. Yeah, gas.
So both gas and
Gas, yeah. And the ducting through that one. Yeah.
so we just use that one, right? So how do you fire this thing up?
Huh?
How do you fire this thing up? Just a sensor?
Oh, the thing.
Any maintenance you think of this one? I don't even know how to use this.
I know. It's just they gotta like it's cool, man. Like,
So I guess they would maintain it.
yeah,
So this is commercial then.
it is commercial unit.
So the vent is outside, right?
Everything is yeah,
Everything.
it's-
So you don't have to worry about stuff.
no AC, furnace, both. This is a combination unit, so that's why they connected from here and
Yeah.
they're distributing.
Oh shoot! Look at that. It's all like
Yes. Yeah.